Hey, thanks for tuning in for another video, guys. Happy New Year's, and hopefully everyone is safe and healthy. Decided to do a quick little video update of the Civic for 2020 before we roll over to 2021. So without further ado, start with the fronts. I'm running UAE depot headlights. Baked them open, painted them black, gave it a blue accent. I think it complements the car very well. I am running Mugen front lip for the USDM bumpers. Just over there. I am repainting that guy and getting the fitment issue fixed. And once that's done, it's going back on the car. Spoon Sports banner up here. So if you do follow me on Instagram, you do know that I was running 5 Zegans. I cracked 2 of them, hit a big pothole, so I decided to just sell the set. I'm now running Evo 8s on 235 45/17s. Nothing special here. Temporary wheels until I get a new set. Still debating on what I want to get. Interior, nothing so far, just pretty stock. I do want to get some seats though, but we will see. I'm running a PLM turn down dolphin tip, turn down, whatever you want to call it. It's burnt tip and it sounds amazing. I love it. Yeah, nothing in the back here. I was running a Evo 8 rear diffuser, but I kind of like the stock look on the Civic. So be running that. I am planning to get the coupe rear valence on the rear, as well as the JDP duckbill, but that will be for next year. Side skirts will be coming next year too. One of the things I waited so long to get my hands on are these bad boys. I was fortunate enough to get these for steel. So if you guys don't know, these are Acura RL 4-piston brake calipers. I am still waiting on my 350Z rotors and my fast brake adapters. Then once those comes in, then I will go ahead and get these bad boys installed. I will be shaving down the Acura logo and painting them blue. What I want to do for next year. BBK, get these guys on. Spoon inspired theme, I want to get a carbon hood. Hybrid, OEM hybrid side mirrors with the blinkers. Hybrid racing, I do want to get some new seats. Again, side skirts, rear valence, and then JDP duckbill. Yeah, so if you do want to see more of the Civic in 2021 and what it's going to become, do subscribe and like the video. That's it. Just wanted to do a quick little update for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed.